This 360 degrees dashcam sees everything. PRUVEEO J20-4CH will blow your mind and save your ride. Let's be real. Driving these days can feel like a high-stakes game of bumper cars. One wrong move, boom, insurance claim, roadside panic, or worse, viral dashcam footage you never asked for. You're stuck squinting at grainy video clips from a rearview camera that barely caught the action. Or worse, your cheap cam shuts off mid-incident because it overheats in the sun or its janky battery dies. Meanwhile, you're left trying to prove your innocence with a blurry shot of someone's taillight. You deserve better. You need protection, clarity, and 24/7 peace of mind, not another device that fails you when it matters most. The chaos ramps up when accidents hit during rush hour, in sketchy parking lots, or at night, where your old dash cam is as blind as a bat. That rear-end fender bender? No proof. That jerk who sideswiped you and dipped? Gone like smoke. Now you're stuck fighting insurance claims with screenshots that look like security cam footage from 1995. You're stressed, tired, and slowly boiling in the hot car, wondering if your dash cam is even recording, or just silently mocking your misfortune. You shouldn't have to live like this. There's too much on the line to keep relying on bargain bin tech that crumbles under pressure. Enter the PRUVEEO J20-4CH mirror dashcam, your new driving guardian angel with 4 full HD eyes. This beast captures everything around your ride, front, rear, left, right, and even inside, so no sneaky maneuver goes unseen. It's not just another camera, it's a full-blown surveillance squad tucked inside your rearview mirror. You get crystal clear 1080p footage, full GPS tracking with speed plus location, infrared night vision that actually works, and a screen bigger than some tablets. All that, without worrying about overheating or battery bloat. It runs without one. When disaster strikes, this thing locks in the evidence like your lawyer's best friend. Let's talk perks. This dash cam doesn't play. It's got loop recording that never quits, infrared night vision that's spooky good, and a 12-inch LCD screen that turns playback into an experience. It mounts easily, doesn't block your mirror view, and comes with a free 128GB card. Yeah, really. GPS maps your whole journey down to the second, ideal for road trips, Uber drivers, and cautious parents alike. The cameras adjust like magic to track all angles, giving you total control. Don't just take our word for it, countless drivers swear by it. Want that kind of protection and clarity? Scroll up. You know what to do. Thousands of drivers have already upgraded to the PRUVEEO J20-4CH, and they're not looking back. Don't be the last person with a dashcam that can't even catch a cold, let alone a collision. Stock is limited, and demand's been skyrocketing thanks to rave reviews and viral buzz. This is your shot to drive smarter, safer, and stress-free. No more mystery crashes, no more insurance runarounds. You've got a car worth protecting, this is the cam that actually does it. Act now, snag yours, and join the Smart Squad. Because when it comes to safety, seeing everything really is believing.